Hi, I'm Parul and you're watching a video by justtutors.com. Today we'll be learning about rational numbers, in which we'll include rational numbers in standard form and comparison of rational numbers. So before we go ahead with standard form of rational numbers, let's try these two questions here. You can pause this video if you want to try it on your own. So here the first question is that 3/4 would lie between which two whole numbers on a number line. So one way is we use number line, or the other way is that we convert 3/4 to decimal, which is same as 0.75. And since the whole number is 0 here, it indicates that 0.75 or 3/4 will lie between 0 and 1. Now let's come to 6/4. So the same question for 6/4. So 6/4 can be written as 6/4 or 1.5. Now as the whole number here is 1 and it's more than 1, so it will fall between 1 and 2. If this is what you thought of your answer as, well done. Now let's go ahead with standard form of rational numbers. So here, rational numbers are said to be in their standard form if the only common factor between numerator and denominator is 1, or if the numerator and denominator are simplified to the extent that there is no other common factor other than 1, it is said to be in their standard form. So, and if the rational number is not in standard form, we can reduce it to 1. So, first of all, if the denominator has a minus sign with it, we multiply both numerator and denominator by -1, and what we get back is -4/3. And if there is a case where there are more common factor between numerator and denominator, we divide both numerator and denominator by that common factor and bring it to the standard form. Like let's suppose we have 6/9 as a rational number. Now we can see that these two numbers have 3 as their common factor. So we divide both numerator and denominator by 3 and get 2/3. Now this is a rational number in its simplified or standard form. Now let's see how do we compare two rational numbers. So whenever we have to compare two rational numbers, first of all we have to make their denominators same. And then we can compare the numerator, which one is larger or which one is smaller. So let's try these two questions here. It says 3/4 or 4/7. So 3/4 here and 4/7 here. Now we know that the only common multiple which we have for them is 28. So we have to multiply here numerator and denominator by 7, which will be 21/28. And on this side, right hand side, we'll multiply numerator and denominator by 4. So here we'll get 16/28. Now as we can clearly see that 21/28 is greater than 16/28. So this is how we can compare the numerators after making denominators same. Now let's try 3/5 and 5/7 and determine which one is greater. So on one side we have 3/5, on the other we have 5/7. So as we know that the only common denominator which we can keep is 35. So we multiply left hand side by 7. So here we get 21/35, and on right hand side we have to multiply by 5, which gives us 25/35. Now here we can clearly see that 25/35 is greater than 21/35. So this is how we compare rational numbers. So You can try these questions here by using similar concept. And for trying, you can pause this video. Once you are done with comparison, you can check your answers from here. Pat your back if your answers are same like this. Well done. Thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.